Hello sir, this is me Abhilasa Acharya. Today here in this video I'm gonna give a presentations on on our group assessment project report tasks 4 of ICT 200 database design and development. So for this task, we were given a case study of National Strata, from where we had to identify the issues and the difficulties the National Strata are going through, and we had to resolve those problems. For this, we have 4 members in my group, and the members are me, Abhilasa Acharya, and Suprin Shrestha, Anju Thapa, and Mrs. Acharya. So the given case study National Strata has a lots of issues and the unnormalized form of data which has to be resolved and changed into normalized form and manage it in a well organized way. To do that, first of all, I took an initiation to create group of 4 people through the discussion forum, and the discussion forum was created by my lecture in a module, and I started group chat in a messenger, creating one group in a messenger, and we mutually choose one group leader, Suprin Shrestha, in order to lead and manage all the teamworks. And before that we also divided group tags for our report writing, and Mrs. we choose to do ER diagram part, and Supreet and Anju they wanted to do normalization part, so we came up with the finalization of the ER diagram and normalization part. And during this process also we share our ideas, we consult with each others, and we came to the final one. Before this also we help each other, we supported each other to do these tasks, and after a while, and after we try to do the report writing, and we make a actual format of it, and we divided those tasks into dividing 2 people in a 2 different group. The introduction background proposed was on my part, description, objective and scope was on the part of Anju Thapa, limitation, conclusion, recommendation was on a part of Suprin Shrestha, and the table of content, assumption, reference and report writing was finalized by Mrs. Acharya. So first of all, let's talk about the National Strata. National Strata is strata management service provider in Sydney that provides cleaning, plumbing, gardening, electrical and other general services such as repair and maintenance. So what are the issues of this company? The issues are company dealing with irregular and unorganized data of clients, difficulties in maintaining client personal information and shift for all the employees, unnormalized data, inconsistency and complex to use of the data. And the other our design report, it will particularly focus on designing ER diagram and normalization form by identifying entities, relationships, participation and cardinality, also distinguishing the foreign and primary keys. So this model is flexible to use, easy to understand, effective way of communicating and also reachable at different level in an organization. And the other things is that we try to convert unnormalized data into the normalized form, which will directly avoid the data redundancy and provide the data consistency. With this, so after the design, we will also be able to resolve many-to-many relationship, and the database will be flexible, and it will avoid the data redundancy in a table. So during this whole process, who is affected? During this process, QA member of National Strata, the clients, employees and all the people who are directly and indirectly involved in this whole process are affected. After designing the report, we also came up with the limitations, and the limitations are there are many tables to join, so the task is little complex and difficult to realize the database. Frequent use of lookup table may cause slow performance of the system. Many default data and poor normalization of data can perform worst and store data inefficiently. What are the recommendations? So we have one of the recommendation for this company, and which is check and maintain the daily operation of database in order to avoid errors that can hamper the overall performance of the system. So this is my I came to the final slide of my presentation. Hope you like it. We in a group try to give our best and do our best. Thank you, my teacher, for always supporting me, and my team for always working and supporting each other. It was really hard due to this pandemic COVID-19 situation, but even the online class is being very effective and we are really enjoying it. Thank you so much for everything.